This proposed ordinance shall be known as the Laoag City Fuel Stations Guidelines for Accountability and Safety. Now, in the definition of terms, Mr. Chairman, fuel was used, Mr. Chairman, instead of gasoline station, Mr. Chairman, because fuel is a general term for gasoline, dieseline, kerosene, and other forms of gas or other flammable materials like cocoa biodiesel or cocoa biomethane, Mr. Chairman. The Section 5 deals with the minimum safety measures in refueling or filling up, Mr. Chairman, as well as the mandatory signages that must be put up by any gasoline or any fuel station, Mr. Chairman, and the said violative acts, Mr. Chairman. For the next sections, it is an enumeration of the compliance with existing city ordinances, Mr. Chairman, which is the Uplandalos Code, the zoning compliance, and next would be the minimum distance requirements. This, again, Mr. Chairman, has been stated in the committee report of the Honorable Donald Nicolas, Mr. Chairman. To ensure safety and mitigate environmental traffic risks, there should be an underground storage tanks, Mr. Chairman, must be located at least 15 meters from any nearby establishment. A firewall shall be constructed between the station and adjacent structures, Mr. Chairman. Next would be the fire safety compliance. According to RA 9514, it is a requirement, Mr. Chairman, that there should be fire suppression equipment as well as a one-wheeled fire extinguisher per station, Mr. Chairman. Now, in Section 10, Mr. Chairman, review and approval process plus a public consultation requirement, Mr. Chairman. Applications for new fuel stations shall be subject to thorough review and assessment by the Planning and Development Officer in coordination with the BFP, the CENRO, Engineering Officer, City Health, Business Permits and Licensing Office, and other relevant agencies concerned. In addition, all proposed fuel stations shall undergo a public hearing, facilitated by the Quadcom, composed of the Trade and Industries as the lead committee, Mr. Chairman, Laws, Rules, Ethics and Privileges, and Environment, as well as Public Health and Sanitation. Notices shall be posted in the barangay concerned at least 15 days prior to the public hearing, Mr. Chairman. And that a barangay RONO or the resolution of no objection is a prerequisite or a requirement, Mr. Chairman, in order for the Quadcom to consider the proposed fuel station, Mr. Chairman. For the penalty clause, it's stated there, Mr. Chairman, for the first offense, 2,000 fine, second offense, 3,000 fine and suspension of operations, third and subsequent offenses, 5,000 fine and revocation of permit. If the business is owned by a juridical entity such as a corporation, Mr. Chairman, the fine imposed shall be paid by either the Chief Executive Officer or the President, General Manager, or person in charge.